Hi students, in the last lecture we have studied derivatives of composite functions and derivatives of inverse functions. Now in this lecture we are going to study derivatives of logarithmic functions. So why we use this method logarithmic function? Some functions which is in the form of f of x raised to g of x, where the derivative of these functions we cannot find by using our rules, that is by using derivatives of standard functions. So in this type of functions we have to use the logarithmic derivative of logarithmic functions. And in standard 11 we already studied the type of logarithmic function, the function which is of the form y is equal to log f of x. It's called as a logarithmic function. And also we study types of logarithms. There are two types of logarithm. One is common logarithm and second one is natural logarithm. There are two types of logarithm. One is natural logarithm and second one is common logarithm. So mostly we use this natural logarithm. The logarithm with base e. The logarithm with base e is called as natural logarithm, and the logarithm with base 10 is called as common logarithm. So log x with base e is called as natural logarithm, and second one log x with base 10 is called as a common logarithm. Now, and in previous lecture we also studied the rules of logarithm. The rules of logarithm or some properties of logarithm. So first one is the product law of logarithm. Product law of logarithm. So what is the product law of logarithm? Log of mn with base a consider. So if there is product of two functions, so by logarithm there is addition of these two functions by splitting. If there is log of mn, then we write log m plus log n with base a. Second one, quotient law of logarithm. Quotient law of logarithm. So what is quotient law? Log m upon n with base a is equal to log m with base a minus log n with base a. If there is multiplication, then in logarithm there is addition, and if there is division, then in logarithm there is subtraction. Third one is exponent law of logarithm. Exponent law of logarithm, that is n into log m raised to, so log m raised to n. So consider here base a, then by exponent law we write n into log m with base a, which is called as exponent law of logarithm. And next one is change of base law. Fourth one law is there, change of base law. So if there is log of m with base n, log m with base n, then by using base law we write log m divided by log n. And we consider any base b, but take these two bases are same, not different. These two bases are different. Change of base law is log m with base n is equal to, we write log m divided by log n. And some properties of logarithm we see. Logarithm of 0 and logarithm of negative number, which are cannot be defined. Logarithm of negative number and 0 cannot be defined. Remember that. Logarithm of negative number and 0 cannot be defined. Second one property is there. Logarithm of any number with the same base is equal to 1. Logarithm of any number with same base is equal to 1. Next one, log 1 is equal to 0 also. Value of log 1 is always 0. And value of log e, which is equal to always 1. Remember these four things in logarithm. Logarithm of negative number and 0, which cannot be defined. Now logarithm of any number, its same base is always 1. So for example, here log 10 with same base, that is 1. Log x with base x, which is equal to 1. Any number if with same base, that is 1. Log 1 is always 0. Value of log 1 is always 0. And value of log e, which is equal to 1. These 4 things are more important. Now we are going to see some examples. Derivatives of logarithmic functions. So first one example is that y is equal to x raised to x. Y is equal to x raised to x. This is not in the form of x raised to n, which is not in the form of x raised to n. This is in the form of function raised to function, which is in the form of function raised to function. We are going to find this type of functions, x raised to n, a raised to x, not the function raised to function. So here we are going to use this method, logarithmic function. So first apply the logarithm on these both sides. Taking the logarithm on both sides. Taking logarithm on both sides. Therefore we get log y is equal to log x raised to x. By taking logarithm on both sides, we get this term log y is equal to log x raised to x. Only apply log on these both sides. Now keep this log y as it is, which is equal to now log x raised to x. Now here in exponent law we see log m raised to n, which is equal to what? N log m, which is equal to n log m. So here we write x into log x. So by using exponent law of logarithm, now we can differentiate this term. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So what is the derivative of log 1? What is derivative of log x? 1 upon x. So what is derivative of log 1? 1 upon y. But here we are differentiate with respect to x. So first the derivative of log y is 1 upon y. And now derivative of y, that is dy upon dx. This thing is very important in logarithmic functions. First take the derivative of log y, that is 1 upon y. Now take the derivative of this y with respect to x, which is dy upon dx, is equal to, now here two functions, first one is x and second one is log x. So here we use product rule. What is product rule? First function into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. So first into, take the derivative of second plus, now second into, take the derivative of first. So 1 upon y into dy upon dx is equal to this x as it is into, what is derivative of log x? 1 upon x plus log x as it is, and derivative of x, which is 1. Now x into 1 upon x, so this x will get cancelled, is equal to 1 plus log x, which is 1 upon y into dy upon dx. But we have to find only dy upon dx. So this 1 upon y, this sum is multiplying here. So dy upon dx is equal to, we write, now this y is in denominator. So in this side y is in numerator, y into 1 plus log x. Now what is value of y? Whole answer, which is in the form of only x. So put the value of y. What is y? X raised to x. So put the value of this. So consider equation number 1. So from 1, value of y is x raised to x into 1 plus log x. From 1, we use the value of y here. So what is derivative of y is equal to x raised to x is dy upon dx is equal to x raised to x into 1 plus log x, because answer is only in the form of x. So the most important thing in this type of logarithmic function, what is derivative of log y, which is not only 1 upon y, which is differentiate with respect to x. So first find derivative of log y, which is 1 upon y, and now take a derivative of y, that is dy upon dx. Now we see exercise 3.4. Find dy upon dx. 3.3. Find dy upon dx if y is equal to if first question is there x raised to 2x. You have to find the derivative of this term. So again we cannot find the derivative of this function directly by using our formula. So taking log on both sides, taking logarithm on both sides, therefore we get log y is equal to what? Log of x raised to 2x. Now this log y as it is equal to, again by using exponent law we write x raised to 2x into log x. From what? By using exponent law. By using exponent law of logarithm. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Differentiate with respect to x. So again what is derivative of log 1? 1 upon 1 into dy upon dx is equal to. Now again there are two functions, x raised to x and second one is log x. So again we have to use product rule. So again keep first function into derivative of log x plus log x as it is into derivative of first, that is x raised to 2x. Now this x raised to 2x again as it is into what is derivative of log x? 1 upon x plus keep this log as it is into, now we have to find the derivative of this term, d by dx of x raised to 2x. 1 upon 1 dy upon dx. Say equation number 1. Now here we have to find the derivative of x raised to 2x, but again which is in the form of function raised to function. So again we cannot find this directly. So again we have to take substitution. So consider that u is equal to x raised to 2x. What? U is equal to, we take x raised to 2x. So we have to find. So again this is in the form of x raised to x. So taking log on both sides. Again taking the logarithm on both sides. Taking logarithm on both sides. Therefore we get log u is equal to log of x raised to 2x. Simply we apply log on these both sides. Log u is equal to log x raised to 2x. Again this log u as it is. Now again by exponent law of logarithm we write here 2x into log x by exponent law of logarithm. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So what is derivative of log u? 1 upon u. Derivative of u is, log u is 1 upon u into derivative of remaining part u, which is du upon dx, because with respect to x is equal to 2x into log x. Now these two take common from this two term, x and log x. So again we have to use the product rule here. So what is derivative of x? So first we use only rule. So first keep first function into derivative of second, that is derivative of log is 1 upon x plus. Now this log x as it is into derivative of x is 1. So 2, again this x will get cancelled, in bracket we get 2 into 1 plus log x. 2 into 1 plus log x, that is 1 upon u into du upon dx. So again we have to find only du upon dx, not this 1 upon u into du by dx. So du upon dx is equal to u into 2 into 1 plus log x. But what is u? That is x raised to 2x. In bracket 2 into 1 plus log x. Say equation number 2. Value of du upon dx. Du upon dx means derivative of x raised to 2x is, so from 1 and 2, dy upon dx is equal to x raised to 1 upon 1 into dy upon dx is equal to x raised to 2x upon x plus log x into derivative of this term is x raised to 2x into 2 into 1 plus log x. So we have to find dy upon dx. So this y here in denominator, so in this side it is a numerator, therefore dy upon dx is equal to y into, and now in this side we take x raised to 2x common from these two terms. So here y into x raised to 2x, so in bracket we get 1 upon x plus 2 into log x into 1 plus log x, and put the value of y. What is value of y? Use this value. Therefore 1 upon dy upon dx is equal to, value of y is x raised to 2x into x raised to 2x in bracket 1 upon x plus 2 into log x into 1 plus log x. And we can again rearrange this answer by book. X raised to 2x. We take again log x common from this. And this side we write x into log x plus 2 into 1 plus log x. We simplify this only. We take log x common from this bracket. So again we multiply by log x. Then the log x will get cancelled, and the remaining term is 1 upon x. And this log x is outside. So again by multiplication we get 2 log x into 1 plus log x. These two both answers are correct. We can write any one. Next example is there. Y is equal to x into e raised to x. Y is equal to x e raised to x. So again taking logarithm on both sides. Taking logarithm on both sides. Therefore, log y is equal to, first only apply log x e raised to x. So, log y as it is. Now log x e raised to x. We can write e raised to x into log x. E raised to x into log x. Therefore, differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of log y 1 upon y. Derivative of y dy upon dx. Now again use product rule. E raised to x into derivative of log x plus log x into derivative of e raised to x. So keep e raised to as it is, derivative of log 1 upon x plus, now this log x as it is, and derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Now take e raised to x common from these both terms. So in bracket we get 1 upon x plus log x, which is value of 1 upon 1 into dy upon dx. But we don't want this term, we want dy upon dx. Therefore, dy upon dx is equal to 1 into e raised to x into 1 plus 1 upon x plus log x, which is in the form of y, but we want answer in the form of x. dy upon dx is equal to, put value of y, x e raised to x into e raised to x in bracket 1 upon x plus log x. So consider equation number 1 and write here from equation 1, that is dy upon dx. Now second one example is there, y is equal to e raised to x raised to x. Y is equal to e raised to x raised to x. Again we cannot solve this directly, so again by use logarithmic function. So apply log. Taking the logarithm on both sides. Therefore, derivative of y, log y is equal to log of e raised to x raised to x. What is log y is equal to log of e raised to x raised to, only apply log on both sides. Now, log y is equal to what? X raised to x into log e by using exponent law. Now, differentiate with respect to x. So again, derivative of log 1, that is 1 upon 1, derivative of y dy upon dx. So now this x raised to x as it is into derivative of log e, but here we first simplify this term, x raised to x, and value of log e is equal to 1. We know that. We see value of log e is always 1. Therefore, log 1 is equal to only x raised to x. So, differentiate with respect to x. That is 1 upon 1 into derivative of y is dy upon dx, which is equal to derivative of x raised to x. And in first example, we already see the derivative of x raised to x. First example, we see the derivative of x raised to x, that is x raised to x into 1 plus log x. So, write directly here. Therefore, 1 upon 1 into dy upon dx is equal to x raised to x into 1 plus log x. Here we find in first example, so we write it directly. Therefore, dy upon dx is equal to, y into x raised to x into 1 plus log x. And again by equation 1, write the value of y. Therefore, dy upon dx is equal to e raised to x into x raised to x into 1 plus log x. Right here from 1. This is our question number 1.